reverse, or dump lever now. Press forward, reverse, or dump lever now.
Okay, Daddy.
Shutting down.
Yeah. Mommy hat.
You know where that hat?
Yeah.
All right. Did you try this yet? Look,
Yeah.
try this one. Oh. Look at Daddy. Show Daddy. Wow. Oh, let me get the scissors. What color is your truck?
Yellow.
Yellow.
And what else? And what?
Yellow.
And what's this color?
Black.
Black. And what color are the buttons?
Red.
Red.
Can I touch a button?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Press forward, reverse, or dump lever now.
Show Daddy. What is he doing?
Press forward, reverse, or
Wow.
dump lever now.
Hey, Sean. Shawnee, look at Daddy. Yeah, that's pretty good, huh?
Do you like your truck?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it a big truck?
Wow.
Daddy. Daddy, it's a big truck.
Is it a big truck, Shawnee?
Load up the truck.
Ooh, load up. Where are you going to put on the truck?
What are you going to put in the truck? You going to put your toys, your chichas?
Move it up. Load up the truck. Don't forget your hard hat.
Oh, you're going to
Oh,
put the
oh,
hat.
oh,
Say.
there it comes.
Put on your hat. You ready for your hat?
Yeah.
All right. Wow, look
Let's
at
see,
Daddy.
Shawnee.
Look at Daddy.
Can I see you with your hat?
Wow.
Wow.
Construction worker.
Yeah, you have it on backwards, but that's okay.
Is it backwards?
Yeah, the peak goes in the front.
Oh, like this. Look.
Let's see,
Oh,
Sean.
look.
Sean.
Look at Daddy.
Shawnee, look.
Show Daddy your hat.
Shawnee.
You want to get the truck out? All right, show Daddy your hat.
Nice hat. I think I can adjust that.
Yes.
I can fix it. Give it to Dad. Daddy.
Mine.
Yeah, I know, but Daddy can fix it so it fits on your head. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Daddy will fix it. Okay.
Look. He has a hat just like you.
Wow.
Did you do a glasses on it? Oh, you gotta wait for Daddy. He's gonna bring the screwdriver. You can play with your toys over there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But.
sure.
Mommy.
Press the button. Go ahead.
Back it up.
No, touch this one. drive the car. I think I gotta take this off, but I'm not sure. Try this button. You ready? Get over there so it doesn't fall. Touch the arrows and it goes back and forth. Touch this one. Look. This one. No, no. That's it.
Caterpillar power. Press forward, reverse, or dump lever now. Press forward, reverse, or dump lever now. Shutting down.
My do I? Mommy.
It's so funny.
Mommy. Out. Here. Out.
You can stand on the side too. You can stand here. And you can hold on to the railing. See?
Push it forward, Sean. Push it the other way. Push it that way.
Touch the arrows.
No, push the dump lever forward.
Press forward, reverse, or dump lever now. Back it up.
Push it.
Good job. Touch the arrows. Do you like it? Yeah? Now look at Daddy.
Caterpillar power.
Sean,
Press forward, reverse, or dump lever now.
Sean, can you look at Daddy? Look at Daddy.
Press forward, reverse, or dump lever now.
Sean, look at Daddy. Say, thank you, abuela.
Shutting down.
Thank you, abuelo. Look at the camera. Say, thank you, abuelo. Thank you, abuela. Beso, dale beso. Good job.